Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat so you can post in Snapchat Spotlight. Snapchat Spotlight is like Snapchat TikTok, so you can post videos on there and it'll show up to people just like it does on TikTok. So I'll show you how to make your profile public so you can do that. So first go to Snapchat, and the Spotlight that I'm talking about is this one right here. It's just a ton of TikTok looking videos. So what you have to do to make your profile public, you have to click on your profile picture in the top left corner. It's your little Bitmoji there. Now, once you click on that, you want to scroll down a little bit here. You don't go to settings, just scroll down a little bit until you see Snap Light and Snap Map. Once you see Add to Spotlight, click on the 3 dots on the end of that bar. They're kind of hard to see, but it's there. Now once you click that, you have the option to create public profile. Click on that. Once you click on that, click continue to these. These are just some warnings kind of. And then click get started and click create. Once you click create, it should load for a bit and you should have a public profile. You can click on it to check it out. You can add a bio and such, post videos and whatever, and it'll be like a TikTok profile. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.